वापस आ गया।
मैं भी आ
हेलो।
गया, मैं भी आ गया। हेलो
लास्ट है ये।
Students, am I audible? Yes, Abiha, your answer is right. Yes, Milhan. Okay, Shaji, after Milhan. After Milhan. Okay, yes, Milhan, unmute yourself. Milhan. Yes, beta.
मिस मेरी जो फिगर है पिछले वाली क्वेश्चन थी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की, वो रह गई है, तो प्लीज दिखा दे। बस थोड़ा सा रह गया था वो, मुझे बस स्टेटमेंट उतारनी थी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की।
Okay, wait. Yes, Shaji. Yes,
मैं भी यही
Shaji.
बोल रहा हूँ, पिछला वाला दिखा दे, मेरा एंड का रहता है बस।
Okay. Yes, Suhaib. Yes, Suhaib.
Can you see my work?
Okay, show me your work if you have done. The students solve this. Okay, Habiba Adnan. Very good, Habiba Adnan. Your answer is right. Yes, Suhaib, your answer is right. Yes, Abi.
Miss, I got the answer.
Yes, tell me what is the answer. Yes, Umar Farooq, your answer is right. Yes, Abdul Samad, your answer is right. Show me. Yes, Haris, your answer is right, Haris. Abil, show me your work.
Okay, miss. Okay, miss.
Haris, you have Nuran, what is this behavior, beta?
Just check my work.
Show me. Haris, you have multiplied with 10. Haris, read the question carefully in question number 5. Okay, I hope those students who haven't done question number 4 have completed their question number 4. I am moving towards question number 5. Zuhaib, I hope you have done. Okay, no problem. Yes, Faiz, your answer is right. So, okay. Question number 5. Now, students, do this question number 5. Faiz, you have right 5,501,000. It's not 5 million, it's 4 million. Faiz, it's 4 million. Raji Heather, you want to ask something? Umar Farooq, those students who have done question number 5, show me your work. Show me your work, students, those who have done question number 5. Shaji Heather, you want to ask something?
जो आपने 4 जो बोल बताया है वो बस वहीं तक ही लिखना है।
Beta, if you have the space, write from there. Yes, Umar Siddiqui. Okay, Haris.
इसमें हर क्वेश्चन के पूरे क्वेश्चन बता रहा हूँ, पूरे समझ कहता हूँ।
Umar Siddiqui, what you want to say? I
मैं
can't
नहीं
get
कर
you.
रहा हूँ जो वर्क कर रहा है।
Okay.
मैं पूरे हर क्वेश्चन के पूरे समझ करता हूँ।
बेटा सम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to solve that question completely. You are just multiplying number with 100. So you just put 2 zeros after that figure. So there is no need to do the solution. Nabiha, okay, Nabiha. Very good, Nabiha. Haris, you have done the question incorrect. Yes?
मैंने ना सॉल्यूशन
Solution के साथ कर लिया. Okay, no problem. Yes, Samiha, show me your work, beta. Samiha, show me your work. Yes, Akawa, show me your work. Everyone, those who have done, show me your work. I'm waiting for everyone. Then we'll move forward. Okay, give me. Yes. Okay. Yes, your answer is right. Haris, have you correct your answer, students? I'm sure those who have done, tell your answer now. Okay, Zohaib, no problem, Zohaib, if your net is disconnected. Those two students who have done their questions, tell your answer. I am showing the answer. Tell your answer, everyone, tell your answer. Tell your answer, students. I am showing the answer. We have to multiply 45,018 multiply with 100. So it will give you 4,501,800. So I have written this value. Then after multiplying, we have to write the number in the international system. So I have given one space. I have given the space after each family. Yes, Zohaib, your answer is right. I have given the space after each family. Students, am I audible? Zakawat, am I audible? Zakawat, give me thumbs up. Yes, there must be some internet issue, network problem kar raha hai. Amar Shah, yes, beta, you want to ask something? Amar Shah.
इसमें check कर लें.
Okay, okay. I hope you have done till question number 5. Everyone have done till question number 5.
टीचर
Yes, beta.
टीचर
Yes, beta.
मैंने डायरेक्ट इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में लिखा है.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Very good if you have written directly, no problem. Now I want you to write question number 7. Students, write question number 7. Divide the following by 10. Divide the number by 10. In question number 4 and 5, we have multiplied the number. Now it's time to divide the number. Okay, Habiba, thank you. Now it's time to divide the number. Multiply the following numbers by 10 with number A. Multiply the following numbers by 10 with number A. 347,080. 347,080. How we are going to do this question? Those who know how to do it, do this question and answer me in the chat box. Okay, now we are going to divide this number by 10. So we rewrite the number divide by 10. Here you can see I have told you whenever we divide any number by 10, we remove 1 0 from that number. We remove 1 0 from that number. In multiplication, we add 1 0, and in division, we remove 1 0. Whenever we divide any number by 10, we remove 1 0 from that number. We remove 1 0 from that number. Yes, Nabiha. Yes, Nabiha. Fast wait, fast wait.
Miss,
Yes.
I do all the work.
Very good, Nabiha. Very good. If you have done, very good. Wait for others, Nabiha. But wait for others. Yes, Faz.
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. What? Yes, Miss. You want to ask something?
मिस
Very
वो
good.
गलती से
Okay.
मिस
Okay.
मैं कह
No
रहा था
problem.
कि मिस वो मेरा वो हो गया था क्वेश्चन 5 से मैं कह रहा था क्वेश्चन 7 दिखाते हैं.
Question 7. आप try करें. Then I will show the answer. Shirem, you want to ask something? Shirem, you want to ask something? Shirem?
यस
No.
यस मिस आपने क्वेश्चन 5 के अलावा क्वेश्चन 5 के बाद डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन 6 7 करा दिया.
Yes, yes. Because question number 6 is same like 4 and 5. Okay. Question number 6 is same as 4 and 5. Yes, Habiba Adnan.
ओके
Habiba, question number 7 is division. You have multiplied, beta. You have multiplied. Do the question again, Abdul Samad. No, question number 7 is division. It's not multiplication. Why you are doing multiplication? Read the question again, beta. Divide the following by 10. Question number 7 is the division word. We are going to divide that number with 10. Whenever we divide the number, we remove 0. We remove 0. 0 से 0 cancel हो जाता है. We simply say 0 से 0 cancel हो जाता है. So here you can see 1 0 is written with 10 and here is 80. So I will remove that 0. Abdul Samad, yes, Faiz, your answer is right. Students, understand the question again. Whenever we divide the number, we remove 0. We remove 0. Okay. Now, write question number 8. Students, you have to complete this classwork. अगर classwork अभी complete ना हो, so आप घर पर complete कर लीजिएगा. Okay. क्योंकि class का time खत्म होने वाला है. Your class time is about to end. If the classwork is not completed here, you have to complete the classwork by your own self. It's quite easy. Yes, Sufyan.
Miss, I gave the answer of number 8.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
184.
Sufyan, show me your work. Show me your work, Sufyan. I will check. Show me your work. Yes, Sufyan. Very good. Very good, Sufyan. Your answer is right. So, bit number 8 is asking divide. Yes, Samiha. Show me your work, Samiha. Show me your work. So, question number 8 is asking 18,400 divided by 800. Divided by 100. Nabiha, you have done the question. Tell your work. Okay, tell your work. Those who have done the Rayan, are you with me? Mohammad Umar Siddiqui, are you doing the work? Savera, show me your work. Zohaib, Samiha, show me your work. Everyone. Yes, Samiha, very good. Your answer is right. Now, students, solve this question. Quickly solve this question. Quickly solve this question. Tomorrow we have no class of the summer. Tomorrow is your off. Tomorrow you have holiday. Tomorrow is your holiday. You have no class by tomorrow. Students, answer me in the chat box. Try to solve this question by your own self. No online class on Saturday. Okay, Abdul Samad? Yes, Zuhair, show me your work. Zuhair. Umar Siddiqui, show me your work.
Time khatam ho.
Students, hurry up. Those who have done, tell your work. Those who have done, tell your work. Then we divide 18,400 with 100. Our answer will be 184. 184. Yes, Harish, show me your work. Okay, Sohaib, show me your work. Okay, Sohaib, thank you. Yes. Everyone, show me your work. Zakafat, show me your work. Abil, show me your work. Yes, Umme Habiba, very good. Your work is nice. Okay, Zakafat. Yes, Zakafat. Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Harish. Thank you, Zaid. Shirem, Sufyan, show me your work. Mehdi, show me your work. Shirem, you are just copying the work. You are not trying your own self. Yes, Nurem, Savera, show me your work. Amar Shah, everyone. Rumesa, students, hurry up. Your class is about to end. Okay, Amar Shah, show me your work. Rumesa, show me your work. Hurry up, students. Hurry up. Yes, yes. Okay, so here, wait. Now, this is all for today. We will inshallah meet on Monday. We will inshallah meet on Monday. Till now, Allah Hafiz. Okay, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz, miss. Allah Hafiz.